How to find group requests notifications settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find group requests notification settings on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram and now click on your profile here in the bottom corner and then click these three lines in the top. Here you will find settings and then notifications. Now click direct messages and calls, and as you see here you will find it. Here you will find group requests. You can turn it off or on just by one click, and that's how to manage it. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.